Hello, so today I wanted to do a quick review of this SGS 2-ton low profile trolley jack. I needed to replace my normal one because I need one I can pull around and not have to lift. So I just thought I'd share this with you. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I don't know what it's like. Okay. Instructions. That's the top of the pole, I should imagine. Okay. This is quite heavy. Just check and make sure you can still see that. Yep. I will measure it. That's just under 2 mils. Yeah. It's pretty beefy. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, it's really nice. See if it's got any transportation pegs or anything in it. These, I think these instructions are available on the website to read. Very good. Parts diagram with a list of all the parts. Right. Two, 3, 4, 5, just over 5 pumps to full height. Okay, so I need to put it all the way in. Okay, that's pretty good. There's a grease point there. Nice, and I picked one with the poly wheels because I need to be able to drag it around and not make too much noise. I will be doing a noise comparison between poly wheels and metal wheels. I will film it up close so you can hear it for yourselves. Okay, so I paid £99.99 for this jack, and I think for the build quality it's a very good price. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. It lifts the car very, very easily, and it only takes maybe 4 pumps of the handle to get the car completely off the ground. It's nice and smooth riding on the concrete. It's much quieter than the metal wheels. It's very well built, and yeah, very impressed. So 10 out of 10.